Hello my friends, this is Mary and you're watching Cardz TV, and this is Card Sketch Saturday, and I've got another sketch for you. This is sketch number 49. Now I've got all the measurements on here for you, and you can find this sketch along with 48 others over at my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. Go on over and check them out. They're all free to download, and you can change them up any way you want to. Just make it your own. Now we're going to jump right into this sketch. We're going to do an Easter card today, and if we take a look at the sketch, we see that our card base is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I've already cut, scored, and folded my card base. Now to go on our card base, we have a mat which is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and I found this beautiful floral that's got different shades of blue and green and a little bit of pink and some pretty little peach flowers in here. And I cut it at 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, but I did back it with a piece of a darker aqua blue or teal blue that matches it really well. I'm going to grab my glue and get that put down on my card base. I just love this paper. I don't know about where y'all live, but a few days ago we were all wearing short sleeves. The sun was out. It was gorgeous. And there's little leaves coming on everything, and I thought, oh, thank goodness spring is here. Yesterday and today, not so much. It's gotten really cold again. The wind is blowing. There's clouds. It's not spring-like at all out there. But hopefully next week, spring will come back. Okay, now let's get back to our sketch. We have two mats, which are 1 3/4 by 2 1/4, and they're both on an angle on our card front. And I went ahead, cut these out, and I did back them on some more of that pretty teal blue. Now this is the reverse side of this paper, and I thought it went really well. Before we put those down though, we do have a border down here. This is 3/4 by 3 1/2, and it's also some of that same paper that I put on that mat or that rectangle. I'm going to put it down first, right down here. I'll use my glue for that. And you can see I've already stamped this Happy Easter. I used some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And these two little banners right here were on a little sticker sheet that came with these papers. And I just went ahead and put them on here. Now I did have to trim them because they were longer so that you could still read Happy Easter. But we're going to get our border down and get these two mats down. Isn't that pretty? And then we're going to come back and add some cute little embellishments to this card and finish it up. Now we needed to add some flowers to this little card because it looks so much like spring. And these two little flowers were also on the sticker sheet with these two banners. Now what I did with the banners, I took my powder tool. I also used it on the little flowers because they're popped up on some foam tape. And I just took the stickiness off the back of the stickers, and then I put them down with some glue so they don't look quite so flat. And as I said, these are on foam tape. And I'm going to put one right down here and one right up here. I think that looks really pretty. Now, as you can see in the sketch, I have these circles, these colored circles that are supposed to be like enamel dots. But this card is kind of busy with this background, and I'm not so sure I want to put any on here. But I'm going to go ahead and stick my flowers down, and we're going to come back and take a last look at this card, and then you'll see if I put them on or not. So stay with me. We'll be right back. Here's the finished card, and as you can see, I did go ahead and put those glittery gems on here. The color of these is called Julep, and I thought it looked really pretty with all these papers. It's a very pretty card for Easter and for spring. So there we go, guys. Now don't forget to go on over to my blog and pick up any or all of the sketches that you'd like. They're all free to download. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you've had fun watching me put this card together, and I hope you'll go and make some cards with this sketch as well. I love you all. God bless you all, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.